Hey friends, if you wish to play 4K videos smoothly on your system, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing, I would rather use the word for low-end PCs. Okay, because high-end PCs will definitely allow 4K videos. So here's what you can do for best possible performance. Use a third-party media player. Okay, so I suggest open the Microsoft Store, search for VLC here, okay, and download the VLC player. This is very important because Windows Media Player might not be able to give best possible performance for 4K videos. Just install it using this option. The next one is to update the graphics card driver. So search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the integrated graphics card and make sure that it's updated to the latest version. But if this doesn't help, then buy an external GPU if it is a desktop computer. Now if it is a laptop computer, then it won't help, because you cannot add a GPU to a laptop, but you can definitely add it to a desktop. Okay, the next one is the same one. And then disable hardware acceleration. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display, and then you can scroll down and click on graphics, and then select change default graphics settings and disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.